Here are a few tips on how you could step your foot through from a plank position or a downward dog position. So I'm going to begin in plank. So say if I want to step my left foot through to a lunge position, I'm going to bend the left knee in towards the chest. So if I want to step the foot through, one thing that'll help is to protract the shoulder blades, spreading them wide, pushing the floor away strongly, and drawing the knee closer to the chest so you could step the foot through. So that's one way of doing it. Second way, adding on to that, you could come onto the knuckles of the left hand. So a modified hand position here, lifting the wrist up. So again, with the left foot, following the same steps, knee to chest, pushing the floor away, protracting the shoulder blades. So having that little extra height from coming up onto the knuckles may help to bring the foot through. So failing that, one more way you could step through is to lift the left hand up as you bring the foot forwards. So I'm going to replace the left hand with the left foot, just like that. And returning to a plank, you could do it at the same way, bringing left hand down as I step the left foot back. Or alternately, protracting the shoulders, maybe coming up into that modified hand position for more height, lifting the foot and stepping back.